About this poem. This piece is one in a suite of love poems in the Black Field, which arose from an obsession with understanding how, despite all that our forebears endured, our love, in all that it is, survived. And I am very certain it did survive, our love. I am proof of its existence. So I found myself conjuring scenes like this one, a man hitched to a chain, longing for the simple intimacy of a met gaze, moments in which this love may have flourished, if only briefly, may have sowed seeds beneath two paramours' feet, knowing it may have to winter a while before re-emerging. This is Ariana Benson reading Love Poem in the Black Field. How long since my left foot has known a day it did not spend drug along by your right, since the first rest iron rattlers made fields of cattails kneel, fronds curdling like brow lines in brutal heat? I forget my name, its sins, when I march behind you. I know nothing of before, nothing but your nape, its tributary of creases, but your gait, pressing smooth miles of street-side weeds. What else can a lonesome road boy do but look at the one to his front? You, with keloid scars inside even your ears. You, with long lashes that, when blinked, seem heavier than these chains, all the men they carry. What I wouldn't give to see your eyes open again after that brief, merciful closing. What I don't have to give. What I know, if I did, I would.